Ah, you've represented them very well.
Thank you so much.
He has put something.
Thank you, thank you.
Thank you so much. Do you allow me interviewing one of them?
It's okay.
It's fine. Okay, fine, thank you.
Bashir, garikani madamu yoshina. Culture at its best.
This is your culture. Bamasaba.
Ambassador of the Masaba Nation representing Mbale, my homeland. Yo, bikana bila ibiringwe Masaba nyemwabibone. Me.
How do they call you? Like you who dress like that?
This one who dress like this is called Emu Masaba, Emu Gisuma.
Gisman.
Yeah, Gishu. Now he's now preparing for circumcision. He's going to be turned from a boy to a man.
To a man, eh?
Yeah, man.
So what are you dressing?
I'm dressing this our costume.
Yeah, you describe outfit. One by one if possible.
This one is called the Edigia, as you see. This one have a drum.
This one is the drum.
Yeah, this is our drum. Yeah, some of them know that Kadodi, eh?
Kadodi, I understand.
Representing our Kadodi.
Okay.
Yeah. We have also the bells, eh?
The bells. Yeah, I can see.
That's it. They represent now the Gishuman.
Gishuman, eh? Pure one from the Masaba.
Masaba Nation.
Masaba Nation,
representing Bale people. Rocking this Masaba. Yeah, man.
Wow. So nice.
You can support us also, man. We are still here. We are now warming up for Nyegenyege. About to rush on stage. We showcase our culture from the East Onja. So guys, be ready to watch it. Yeah, man. Thank you.